my God, it tastes good.
Bass junkie?
Yeah. I mean, the trunk's still open?
Yeah.
Yeah. Freaking, the front latch thing broke on it.
Did you break it?
Yeah, I used to have a trunk build, and there used to be a bar across here, and I had the box too much, you know, so it broke it. So I had a pole that goes in here, but I didn't bring it, and I was up there clamping just a minute ago, and the trunk fell and hit me in the back. It about took my eye out. My face got slammed into that.
Oh no, man. You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. I think I dripped blood right there. I was still trying to clamp. I was like, don't worry about it. We'll be okay.
That's blood, sweat, and tears right there in this build.
Yeah. I had 149.6.
Nice.
Clamps 5,800. Box rise 2 ohm.
Good deal. Good deal.
But I beat my last score. I was 147.1. So I raised by 3 dB by sealing the sunroof off and bracing it.
Yeah.
I hit a 150 on our personal meter, but it was cooler out. I think this heat's messing everybody up a little bit.
Yeah, pretty much, man. Mine wasn't doing as bad as, as good as it normally do.
Yeah, I know people that usually get like 154, only doing like 150.
Yeah.
You know?
You demoing any?
I can't.
All right. I see it on your videos all the time. I want to hear this thing.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, they pulled it up for the meter.
Oh, excuse me.
Just with the meter. I know it's a small car, dude. Like,
my ex had a Saturday, so I know all about them.
yeah, there ain't a lot of room in here. Hey, kick on here, man. Let me turn the fan on. Hey, click that fan on for me, please. That's not what it's fair.
In it cause I earned it. Got my shorty out the.
Still the 15s in there?
Yeah, it's still the
okay.
X15s.
X15s, okay.
On the 8K.
Slinging beats for weather seats, it's DJ Rusticles.
Something ain't right. Oh, I know what it is. Look, the bass knob got pulled. That's probably when.
Some of the boxes
My bad.
come from me.
We'll do it again.
You good?
Wasn't related.
All right, here we go.
All right.
Slinging beats for weather seats, it's DJ Rusticles.
It's just hot because I was just clamping.
Do you like the new lights?
Oh yeah, I love them lights.
Yeah.
I think I got it stuck on red. I was showing it some earlier, but I put it on where it's voice activated.
And then that kind of goes with the sound and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What happened to this didn't hook up with it. Let me restart it. I need to open my hood. Let me.
Hey, y'all, I've been hollering at Bass Junkie for a minute, telling them to get to these Kentucky shows so I can meet you.
Hell yeah.
Tell them your channel, man.
Bass Junkie 2020. I got a Facebook group also. You can link up with that. It's always in the description of my videos. It ain't in the live stream videos description, but all my other regular videos, just check it out. I got probably a couple hundred videos. You know, I go to these shows. I go to my Team Captain's house. I'm on Team Base Outlaws. You guys will see great. I just absolutely love car audio. You know what I mean?
I know home in the minute. I never seen no window down. Oh my god, yeah, he nailin'. Audio, I'm drop billin'. All of my boys dope dealin'. Super whack, I'm no villain. Nigga try to. I just wanna make my dough. Gotta take care of my kid. Just hopped off the plane, about to fuck up the game. Insane in the brain, yeah. Niggas know my name, yeah. I like what your friends know. I only called you when it's
I like that. I wasn't expecting to get right my throw right out the gate. No. Woo.
Yeah,
I like that.
That song definitely does it to you, man. It gets everybody right there in the throat, then hits you in the chest. Yeah.
Like, I was watching my beard over here doing the way. I was like, I gotta get my beard in there. I gotta show the flex on that. That's why I gotta get that.
Appreciate it, man.
I appreciate this.
Thanks for checking it out.
Try to get some team.